Greetings, seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here's what's happening from December 7th to December 13th. Monday, December 8th, there will be an art club interest meeting at 8 a.m. in room 105. Tuesday, December 9th, will be our middle school outstanding scholar ceremonies. From 9 to 10 a.m., we'll be celebrating our 7B to 8th grade scholars, and then from 10:30 to 11:30 a.m., we will celebrate 6th and 7A scholars. A sneak peek of the high school drama play You're in Town will be experienced. Wednesday, December 10th, Operation Santa will be taking place at JFK Airport, starring 7th to 8th grade band and 9th to 12th jazz ensemble. At 2:50 p.m., there will be a band rehearsal for all involved members. Then, from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m., there will be our December virtual PTA meeting. Thursday, December 11th, will be our high school outstanding scholar ceremonies. From 9 to 10 a.m., we will be celebrating our 11th and 12th grade scholars, and then from 10:30 to 11:30 a.m., we will celebrate 9th and 10th grade scholars. A sneak peek of the high school drama play You're in Town will be experienced. Finally, on Friday, December 12th, from 12:15 to 1:15 p.m., there will be high school dance residency practice for select scholars. You are invited to enjoy a production of Shakespeare's A Winter's Tale by the Rockaway Shakespeare Company, directed by Fiona Ross, an education practitioner that works with the Royal Shakespeare Company in London. This production will be taking place in our theater on Friday and Saturday at 7 p.m. and on Sunday at 2 p.m. There is a donation of $5 at the door. Come out and expand your knowledge on Shakespearean texts. And that is it for the event preview this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you guys next time.